Welcome to Better Life. Self sabotaging refers to beliefs and types of behaviors that can prevent us from achieving our goals, hopes, and dreams. It is very destructive kind of behavior in which one could involve and it negatively impact on life, work and relationships of a person. Here we will discuss 7 ways to stop self-sabotaging behaviors. Number one is be kind to yourself. Most people are not kind to themselves. They are critical to their mistakes. If you are involved in such type of destructive behavior, stop it immediately. Try to replace such thoughts and behaviors with healthy and nurturing ones. That is really important. Be kind toward yourself, acknowledge your emotions and accept your mistakes and learn from them. Accept yourself as who you are. Accept your past mistakes as part of life experience. Number 2 is embrace your strengths. Knowing your strength will help you in stopping such destructive behaviors. Everyone has character strength. The need is to identify your strengths and acknowledge them. Things you are good at and your positive attitudes and behaviors, hold on them and work to improve them and find ways how you can make use of your strengths in better way. This will help you in eliminating those destructive behaviors and thoughts which are holding you back from moving forward. Number 3 is set meaningful goals. Have you set goals that are not easy to achieve? Just break down them in small, easy to achieve and meaningful goals and reward yourself for each goal when you accomplish it. It will boost your motivation levels and study shows that breaking down your large goal into small, easy to achieve goals will make it easy for one to reach out their higher goals, and 70% of people reach more to their higher goals by this way. Number 4 is make small changes. Making small changes in your behavior will help you a lot in changing destructive behaviors. Identify behaviors, thoughts, and routines that you want to change. You can make a list and out of this list just pick one thing on which you want to work on. Make meaningful changes that will be extremely beneficial for you. Don't rush to change all at once. That will be hard to achieve and you will give up on them. Build self-confidence and try to achieve that you have set goal for yourself. Replace one thought and behavior every day and give yourself time to change that habit. Number 5 is recognize the habits. You will be able to break the cycle of self-sabotage if you are aware of these habits and behaviors, out of which are negative self-talk, procrastination, and perfectionism. Negative self-talk is most dangerous and destructive one. You are constantly doubting your own abilities and are critical to yourself for past mistakes. This should be stopped. Perfectionism is another destructive habit in which you don't do anything in order to be perfect in that, so you delay your ideas. Procrastination is when you don't tackle an important project on time. You allow yourself to dawdle to the last minute. Start making decisions and meet up your deadlines. Number 6 is identify your feelings. Identify negative behaviors and feelings and get insight of your thoughts and actions. Whether these are helping you or hurting you. Often we avoid things to do due to fear or extreme pressure. So identify these feelings which are preventing you from moving forward. This will help you to protect yourself from self-sabotage. Number 7 is talk about it. If you noticed such behaviors and thoughts pattern that are disturbing your personal life, professional life and your relationships, try to talk to the people whom you trust most. Simply talking through a self-sabotaging pattern out loud can prevent you from carrying this behavior. Always talk to the person whom you trust most. If you apply all these tricks and you find these are not helping you out, then work with a mental health professional that can help you. You will learn strategies to stop these behaviors. So this was our today's video. If you find this video informative, don't forget to give a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.